All right, good morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and we are one day away from our next cruise on board the Carnival Breeze. We are currently down here in Galveston, Texas, down here at the cruise port. We're going to do a little bit of the touristy thing today. Now, we currently are over here on the downtown area, the historical area. I'll show you a little bit of this area right here, and then we're going to go over to the seawall side and take a look at that side over there, because that's actually where we're going to be staying. So we're just over here right now to do a little bit of touristy stuff. All right, you got Tiffany. She's over there playing by the back of the truck. And next to Tiffany, now that's going to be Dylan. He's the reason we are down here today. You can see him, typical teenager, staring at his phone, enjoying time on his phone. Yep, that's what teenagers do. But we are down here because it is his birthday today. So everybody say happy birthday to Dylan. And it's also celebrating his high school graduation. This is what he wanted. He wanted to come down here and cruise on the Carnival Breeze for Halloween. Now, I don't know if you guys can see it, but way over there you can see the grandeur of the seas. And then for whatever reason, they got an oil tanker or a fuel tanker, a big one, parked at Terminal 1. But from where we are right here, we're over here by Pier 21. You got Terminal A and then Terminal B back there where the grandeur of the seas is. Right over there. You got some restaurants right here where we're parked over here by Pier 21. The Harbor House, which is a pretty good hotel. We've done some videos on that before, is over there. And we're just parked here in a parking lot. It's got a Starbucks coffee right over there behind Tiffany. If you need a coffee hit prior to your cruise or anything like that. But let's go explore the downtown area and see what we can see. Y'all check this guy out. All right, so this is the downtown area here in Galveston. And this is where you can come. They got shops, they got restaurants, there's a chocolate factory, and of course Tiffany's favorite spot, the candy store is down here, right? The candy store. But they got markets. They said you can get your t-shirts and all that kind of stuff out here. Just kind of show everybody a little bit, since I was asked to show a little more of the Galveston cruise port. And since we are down here, we have a full day. Kind of show you guys around a little bit. As I said, this is definitely a tourist area. It's just for walking around. Any last minute items you need for your cruise. Got some time to kill before you get on the ship. Or if you're staying down in this area, lots of options. So you got a little park area over here. And over here, this is your, right over there, you got a Pirates Museum. There's a Haunted Manor. All this is over here. All right, now this is La King's Confectionery. This is the candy store and the place that Tiffany must come to every time we come to Galveston.
Of course, you need your taffy.
Gotta have your taffy.
Fresh taffy.
Fresh taffy. And they have tons of candy in here. I said you can get all of your chocolates. Which better have my candy? You're not the witch in that story, are you? I said they got all kinds of stuff in here that you can get. A Harry Potter bus?
Yes.
Here you go. Do you need a milk chocolate wand?
No, because I'd want to eat it. And that's Dumbledore's wand.
Well, yes, it's chocolate. You're supposed to eat it.
But you don't eat Dumbledore's wand.
You don't eat Dumbledore's
That's
wand.
the wand.
I said they got candy, and more candy everywhere.
She needs some gummy eggs.
Now here on the other side, you can also get coffee. You can get ice cream.
Pink
On that
figs.
side over here. And this side over here is your taffy. And uh-oh, there is no taffy. Absolutely none. No taffy. Now, normally they do taffy demonstrations. There's no taffy.
No taffy? What is wrong with this picture?
You're going to have to ask because there is no taffy. What happened to all the taffy?
Wait.
All right, well, the candy store didn't quite work out the way we thought it was going to. Apparently, the gentleman that makes the taffy, he got injured. He's not going to be back for a few more days. And they make it fresh here on the spot. So when the guy that makes the taffy can't make it, you don't get any taffy. Understand that. Bad luck of the draw for us today, but
yeah,
a little bit disappointing because we were really looking forward to that taffy. We get it every time we come down here.
Chocolate doesn't.
All right, so now we're heading into the chocolate factory.
Hi. They have Frankenstein apples and mummy apples. Pecan pie apples.
Yeah, they definitely have a ton of caramel apples in here. You can also get dipped marshmallows, dipped Twinkies.
Do you realize every store we've been in has a dog treat?
There you go. Chocolate doesn't ask questions. Chocolate just understands.
Do you like pecans? You want to get a pecan? That'd be good. You want a pecan pie?
They even make special treats just for your dogs. You get little bones. Here, if you want to get something for your fur babies.
We'll get them.
All right, so we ended up with a caramel Snickers chocolate dipped apple. So we're all going to try this apple here. They are nice. They do cut it up for you. Though it still does appear to be quite sticky. Tiffany's having some issues here. Let's see. She's going to taste test it for us.
Oh, that's good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
And Dylan's going to have some. Now, while it's not the same, we were able to still get some saltwater taffy. It's not the same as getting it from the candy store, but we were still able to get some.
It's not the same from getting the candy store where it's made.
All right, while we're here, Tiffany also got me, what exactly is this, baby?
A chocolate covered Twinkie.
A chocolate covered Twinkie. Yeah, we are being kind of gluttony today. Caramel covered apples with Snickers, saltwater taffy, and now a chocolate covered Twinkie. Is a Twinkie ever bad? Let's be honest. Alrighty, so now we have come over here to the seawall side. We stopped by the hotel. We got all checked into the hotel. And unfortunately, though, the weather has decided to turn against us. The wind has picked up a whole bunch. It's gotten chilly, and it has started to rain. So that is going to keep us indoors here a little bit more than we wanted. And I'll go out right front here real quick, and I'm going to show you guys what the ocean looks like. It's looking pretty rough out there, but let's go take a quick look at that. All right, so there's the waves out there, just right across the street from our hotel. Y'all can see it's gotten wet, rainy, and that ocean is kicking pretty good out there. So it's kind of turned into a bit of a gloomy day down here. So for right now, I think we're just going to see if this weather passes. We are still going to go eat tonight. The plan is to go eat at a restaurant called The Spot here on the seawall. We'll have to drive down to it. Original plan, we were going to eat at Texadelphia, which is right here by the hotel. Could walk right over to it. Turns out that restaurant's gone. It's closed, no longer in business. So we picked another spot. It was recommended to us. I said called The Spot. So we're going to be heading down to that here in just a little bit, just kind of waiting for everybody to get hungry right now. You can see them behind me back there. They're bumming. Bumming. And look, playing on their phones again.
Checking the weather.
Yeah, Tiffany claims she's checking the weather. That's code for I'm watching TikTok. And Dylan over there is probably just straight up watching TikTok. He's not even trying to give us code. So, look, we go on vacation. I think I need to start confiscating phones. What do you guys think? Take away their phones? Let me know. All right, so we are down here at the spot. All right, let's see what they got here. They got a happy hour menu. What kind of stuff? Check it out. They got some sweet and spicy fries. I think we're gonna maybe try those. What do you see, baby? Anything that interests you?
I was looking at that spot sampler, but I don't like hot wings.
You know what?
I don't like hot wings.
Well, you can get them in flavors that aren't hot. All right, so Tiffany, what you got there, baby?
Fish tacos.
Fish tacos. We got sweet and spicy burgers with waffle fries. Dylan got the same thing. Sweet and spicy burger with waffle fries, and then these here in the middle are sweet and spicy fries. Supposed to have some bacon, some jalapenos. So, you ready? Tiffany's already going to town. Look at those waves. That wind is definitely tearing up that ocean tonight.
I don't think they are.